Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Spanish Daily. So I just wanted to address something. I know some of you are probably wondering why I'm not actually teaching the words and I'm teaching full phrases. It's pretty much because the way I have this video laid out, as you learn the phrase, you're learning the individual words in that phrase, but you're learning the phrase as a whole, which I feel like is a lot more beneficial than just learning one word. The way I see it, there's plenty of different places for you guys to learn Spanish. There's plenty of different books or people to go to or resources or websites or even YouTube channels that are going to teach you how to speak Spanish. My goal isn't to teach you words. My goal is to teach you how to communicate with people. And in order to do that, I feel like it's easier for you to understand the phrase as a whole than to try to understand individual words. And the reason I'm doing that is because not only do I speak English and Spanish, but I'm also learning Japanese on my own. I don't want to pay anybody. I don't want to do something that I'm trying to get people to not do. I'm making these videos so that you guys can understand and learn Spanish on your own as cheap as possible. I want to do the same thing with Japanese. And just from pure experience, I've learned that learning phrases altogether is a lot easier for me to understand than to learn individual words, because a word is a word. When you mix it with something else, it's not always going to mean the same thing. All right, so let's take the word tengo, for example, just as one of the hundreds and hundreds of words out there in Spanish. If you were to say tengo un dólar, you're saying I have $1. Now let's use that same exact word and just say tengo frío. Now, what is that saying? Are you saying you have a cold? No, you don't have a cold. That would be tengo un resfriado. Well, why did that change? Because contextually, that's what it means. The word tengo refers to the words before and after it, or mainly after it, but it means something different when you say tengo un dólar and tengo frío, one meaning I have $1 and the other one meaning I'm cold. It doesn't translate word for word, so there's no point in trying to translate each individual words, because some words when they mix together are going to give you a completely different meaning. So I just figured I'd clear things up. I know some of you are probably wondering that. At first, when I tried learning a different language, I was getting frustrated that I'd learn a word, then I'd hear that exact same word, but it didn't mean what I was taught it meant, so I figured this would be an easier way. If you learn phrases, you learn to understand and pick up on those phrases. You connect phrases together to make complete sentences. Individual words, I mean, once you understand the phrase, the word is going to come easier. But that's just my 2 cents. Everybody learns differently. That's just the way I learned, so I figured I'd teach the way I understand. If you guys have any other questions, or if you guys want to know anything else about why I do certain things or what I'm doing here, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as many of them as I can. I might not answer right away, but I promise I will get back to you eventually. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. If you guys like this video, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, or whatever YouTubers say now. I'm just going to leave the video here. It's a random update, so I will continue my regularly scheduled uploads after this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.